So
Yeah,
is
so
that how
it
it
will
builds?
not be, it will be, looking at, so what we are building at the next 3.0 may it will have a complete monitoring and tracking of your activities in terms of, okay, we discussed about these two things. Have you done that or not? Follow up. It will start tracking on your goals. Okay. And it will get to know you, start knowing you with your charts only. Okay. Not a reference I'm talking about. So when we are building a global layer, we already written lots of transcripts in terms of problem areas, how coaching happens, all the conversation that happens, what kind of questions, in coaching, it is called as powerful questions, right? So what kind of situation is there? What kind of questions coach is asking? Those are there. But now what will happen is like, as Gaurav goes to Moy, Gaurav talks to Moy about leadership, or Gaurav talks to Moy about, maybe stress issues. Okay. Then in 3.0, we'll actually bringing it in terms of the tracking. Okay. How is it today? What level? We'll go much more deeper in terms of understanding you with respect to you, not with respect to other data. Other data helps you in terms of, that's again a global layer in terms of understanding. Okay, इतने तरीके के लोग होते हैं, इतने तरीके का problem होता है, all those things. Today Mo is capable of thousands of themes you can chat. So that's the kind of work we have done. But yes, we will make sure that it is actually a companion to you. You start feeling that company, that kind of hook we want to build on our product, going forward. There's a lot more work to do. It should. So what is happening? A couple of stories you've seen that why people are using, OpenAI and all those things, because they need someone to talk to. Not only
Yes.
not only in the low types,
So
in the
in real
high
life
types. Yes,
connections,
they need
yeah,
Hmm.
IRLs are required.
this much. I'm very happy to tell you, wow, that's great to hear. It will take the conversation forward again, in the both the times, because with more lot of happiness also gets overwhelmed.
Exactly. Yes.
So it's
Very
it's
true.
it's not only कि हम challenge पे train कर रहे हैं. It's like completely anything that comes to your mind. You have a companion who listens to you. So one very important feature of Mo is it listens deeply to people and doesn't judge you and not giving you, so most of the time people need an eye like a best friend, right? Sorry, ear as a best friend to सुन सके हमको. So we have looked at those things in terms of how something like this can help people day in day out. It's available 24/7.
Return